Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we will start one another platform which is Python. Okay. So first thing, what is Python? So we can say like a human, we have a different languages. We have English, we have Spanish, we have Germany, we can say Hindi language. So like that for computer also we have a different type of languages. Okay, so that is called as our coding. Okay, so in that we have one type of programming language which is your Python. So nowadays we are using the Python very much. Why? Because see, by using Python you can create any program, you can create any games also. By using Python we can create anything whatever you want. Okay, and why we are using the Python? Because it's very easy programming language. Okay, so this is the benefit. Second benefit, we can run the Python program at any platform. Like you can run in your Windows machine also. You can run Python program in your Linux machine also, or your Mac operating system. Means we can run the Python program at any platform. Okay, so this all are the benefits. This is very easy to use. Okay, so first thing, where you will do your Python. So we have a two option. Either you can download your Python software, you can do that offline, or else if you want, we can do the Python by using or some websites also. So for that, we have one website which is called as Google Colab. So you need to just search for Google Colab for the Python. Okay. So this is the link. I will give you the link into the description box also. You will get that very easily. So if you are using any platform, any online platform, so first you have to log in. Okay. And automatically it will get your Gmail ID. So over here, we need to just click on new notebook. Once you will click on that, here you will get a platform where you can run your programs. Okay. So today we are going to see how you will print your hello world into the Python. Okay. So you need to just print here. You have to just write print. You have to open your round bracket, take a double quotes. Here we will write hello world. Okay. Now, how you will test your project? This is very important part. As you can see, we have a play button over here. So you need to just click on that run button. You will get that. So first run, it will take 1 or 2 seconds to play that. And once you will play one program, after that you will get all the programs very easily. So as you can see, we have hello world here. Okay. After that, if you want to write your another program, so for that, what you will do, as you can see, we have this plus code. You need to just click on that. You will get one more code section. Here you can write. Suppose I want to print, I'm learning Python. Now, how you will test your project? You need to just click on this play button. You will get I'm learning Python. Okay. After that, if you want to write one more sentence in the same program, you need to just press your enter button. Here again, you can write print, and always you have to write your print into your small case. Okay. Here you can write, suppose I'm learning coding. Like this means in this way you can print all the statement into the Python. You need to just click on this play button. You will get that. After that, if you want to share this project with anyone, what you will do, as you can see, we have the share button. Click on that here. As you can see, always this will be restricted. So if you want, like anyone can see, so you need to just click on anyone with the link, copy the link and share with wherever you want. Okay. After that, if you want to rename this, because see, now this is your untitled, you can just write here, suppose hello world. So now this is your hello world program. So in this way we can create it. Okay. So first we will start our Google Colab for running your Python code. So we need to just search for Google Colab Python. You will get this link. Okay. So first thing I will explain you what is variable. So variable act as a container. Okay. It means if you want to store anything, suppose if someone will enter the name, or is we can take an example of a registration form. Okay. So in the registration, we have some name field. After that, you have to enter your password, address, email ID. So in a computer, we have to store that. Okay, so in the variable we can store all these things. So for the variable, if you want to create your variable, so first you need to define the data type. It means what type of input you are going to store. Okay, suppose if I will take example of name. Okay, so in the name variable, as it, we will store some name. So name is a string data type. Okay, if you want to store your age, so age means we will enter some number. So that number is called as int variable. So like that, we have a float variable, we have decimal variable, like that. Okay. So by using your data type, you can define what type of input you are going to store. Okay. So how you will create your new project, you need to just click on new notebook in your Google Colab. So you will get your development area. So here, whatever code you want to write, you can write. Okay. So how we will define the variable? Suppose I want to take an input from the user, like a print. You need to just take your round bracket. Here you can use either double quote or you can use your single quote. Both will work. Suppose I want enter the name. So what will happen? Someone will enter the name. Okay. So how you will store this name? How you will hold this name? Okay. So in the container, we can store the name, and that container is called as variable. So here we need to just define name. So this name is the variable. Here we will store whatever the user will enter the name. Okay. So instead of this name, whatever name you want, you can define. So name equals to, because we want input from the user, so we will take input. So now what will happen if I will click on this play button? So here you will get like a enter your name, and you can enter your name. Okay. So like that, if you want to enter the age, so you can just write print enter your age, and you can create one variable like age. In that variable, you can store some value. So as you can see, name equals to input. So here we have to enter some name. Suppose I will write my name Shraddha. So what will happen? Now this name, computer will store in this name variable. Okay. So like that, if you want to take a age of the user, so you can just write print. Now, as you can see, if I will take this double quote, that will also work. Okay. So here you can write enter your age. Okay. Now, what will happen? You need to create one age variable. Now, what will happen now? As you can see here, we directly have input because whatever we will enter as the input, by default that in a Python, by default that is converting into the string. So no need to convert explicitly this input. But if you want to take a integer input from the user, like any number, okay, so for that you have to explicitly mention that like this is the integer, okay. So you have to just write int input, okay, like this. What will happen now if the user will enter any number, suppose age is 10, 20 or anything. So explicitly this age will convert into your integer variable, then that value will store into your age variable. Now what will happen if I will click on run, enter the name. So suppose Shraddha, enter your age, suppose 25. Okay. So in this way, we can take a input from the user in the variable. Okay. Now, I will explain you the second part. Suppose if you want to just do your addition like 2 plus 3, if you will click on run, you will get 5. Means directly you can do that. After that, so this is the one way to do the addition. If we want, like you can just write A equals to 10, B equals to 20. And the C, you can just do A plus B. Now you need to just print this C. Now what will happen? Here you will get 30. Why? Because see, this we did without the variable. But here we stored 10 value in the A variable. Now in the A we have 10. In the B we have a 20. In C, we are doing the addition A plus B. It means here you will get 10, here you will get 20. So 10 plus 20 is 30. So if you will print C, you will get 30. Instead of printing C, if you will print A, what will happen? You will get A value, which is 10. If you will print B, you will get B value. So if you want to print all these values, you need to just write print and whatever, which value you want to print. Like you want to print A value, B value, or your addition value. Okay. After that, now we will see the next part here. Suppose you want to print any string. So in the integer, no need to write your single quote or double quote. But if you want to write any string like a suppose Shraddha, if you will run, you will get Shraddha in the single quote. Okay. After that, but if you will write same thing by using your print, the single quote Shraddha. Now what will happen? You will get that without code. Okay, so this is difference between if you will write without variable and if you will just print this, so you will get Shraddha. Now, if you want the single code, so what you have to do, you have to just write like this. Now, if you will run, you will get that into the single code. What if you want double quote? So you have to just change the order. First you will take single quote, then double quote, and you have to close with like that. Double quote, single quote. Now you will get Shraddha in the double quotes. See? Okay. After that, if you want tab, so you need to just write tab like a /t. So you will get Shraddha space the next value. So this black /t is called as tab. If you want new line, so you can just take your /n. So you will get that into the new line. So in this way, you can print your statements, you can initialize your variable, and you can store anything inside. How you will declare your variable, how you will store values inside your variable. Okay. So today we are going to learn about how you will write comments in Python. Okay. So first thing, what is comments? Okay. So whenever you want to write any extra information, like suppose if you will declare any print statement, after that you have to write about that print statement, like why you use that, what is the use of that statement. Okay, so you can write all the thing inside your comments. So this is the main use of your comments. So what will happen once you will run your program, the compiler will not interpret that comments. Okay, so you will not get the error also if you will write a comments, okay, in that comment section. Okay, it means you are going to write about extra information about your program. Okay, so how you will use that? So that comments is divided into two parts. First is we have a single line comments, and the second we have our multi-line comments. Single line means in one single line you want to write all the information. Multi-line comments means if you have more information, so you can write that information within your 2 line or 3 line or 4 line, like that. So for that you have to use your multi-line comments. Okay, so let's start. How you will start that? Suppose so I want to write hello world. Okay, now if you will run, you will get your hello world. Okay, so about this hello world, if you want to write the information like why you used this hello world, what is the meaning of this print, you can write with the help of your comments, like your hash, whatever you want, like this is hello world. And always you will get your comments in green color in your Google Colab. Now if I will run, you will get your hello world. Okay, see, the compiler will not compile this code. Why? Because this is your comments. Okay, so you can write your comments at any position, like a hash, this is single line, and here you want to declare one variable, or you want to do just addition 2 plus 3. Now what will happen if I will click on run? You will get 5. You will not get this information because computer will not compile this program. Okay, so now we will see how you will declare your multi-line comments. Okay, so if you want to declare your multi-line comments, so you have to take 3 times this double quotes. After that, whatever you want to write, suppose this is multi-line comments, you can write whatever you want. I'm learning Python, like this. And how you will close this? Again, you have to take 3 times your double quote. So you will get that multi-line comments. Now you can print whatever you want. Suppose print hello world. Okay, print hello world. Now if I will run this, you will get print hello world. You will not get this information because this is just for programmer. This is just for the developer. Because see, in the organization, they have a lots of codes. Okay, so they will not remember each and everything. So what they are doing, they are just writing the extra information about that code inside the comments. Okay, so what will happen after a few days, if they want to go back, they can just read that comments about that function or whatever they want. Okay, so in this way we can declare our previous video we did like how you will use your comments in Python. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about what is data type. Okay, so data type means what? Which type of data you want to store inside your variable. Okay, suppose for example, if anyone will enter the name or age or marks. Okay, so suppose if you want to enter your name, so name means that is word, that is sequence of characters. So if you want to store the word or any sentence, so that thing you can store inside your string data type. Okay, if you want to store the number, so for the number we have an integer data type. If you want to store any decimal value, so for that we have a float data type. So like that we have a different type of data types. Okay, and how you will declare that we will see with the help of example. So let's start. Suppose you want to you want to take a name. Okay, so what you can do, you can just write name. So always you have to use your string data type inside your double quotes or single quotes. Okay, so name, suppose I want to write my name Shraddha. Okay, so if you will print directly name, so what will happen, you will get the name as a Shraddha. But if you want like a what is this data type, so simply you can write type. So by using type word, you will get which type of data type is this. Okay, so now if you will run, you will get class str, means this is the string data type. Now if you will print name, so you will get the name Shraddha. See, the data type is str and the name is the Shraddha. Okay, after that if you want any integer number, like suppose a equals to 10, and you want to find out which type of data type this is, so you can just write print. Okay, now you can just define type and what is your variable name, that is a. Now if you will run, you will get class is integer, means this data type belongs to the integer. What will happen if I will write just any point number, which is a decimal value? Now if you will run this, you will get the type is float. Okay, so after that if you want to just print a, what will happen, you will get your value. Okay, so in this way you can define any value, and if you want to find out which type of that value, so you need to just use your type keyword. So this type is your keyword. By using this keyword, you will get which type of data type you created. Okay, so in this way you can find out what is your data type. Okay, and how you will declare that thing, what is casting and why we are using the casting. Okay, so casting means we have to convert from one data type to another, so this is called as casting. Okay, so now let's see with the help of your example. So even you can access our playlist in the Python, so you will get all the thing from the basic. Okay, so how we will start our casting. So first we will take one example. Suppose in the x variable, we have 1. So it means x is the integer, right? Now if you will print x, so what will happen? You will get output as a 1. So you need to just click on this play button if you want to run the project. After that, if you want to convert this 1 into the float, okay, what you can do, you need to just write float 1. Okay, x equals to float 1. So what will happen now if I will run? So you will get 1.0. It means this one is the float value. But now what we can do here, you need to just take one variable, suppose x equals to. Now you have 1.5. It means this is your float value. This is your decimal value. Okay. Now you need to just click on print. You need to just type print x. So what you will get? You will get 1.5 and this is your decimal value. So you need, see, after that, if you want to convert this 1.5 into integer, so you need to just write int. You can write 1.5. Now what will happen if you will run this program? You will get only 1. So what will happen? 0.5 will discard. Why? Because this is 1.5 is the float. Okay. Now we are converting that float into the integer. Okay. After that, we will see the next example. Suppose x equals to, we have one string like suppose 1. Now, what will happen if you will write print x? So once you will play this, you will get 1. Okay. But if you want to convert this into the integer, even you can do that. Int suppose 1. Now see what will happen. So you will get 1. So in this way, you can convert anything, whatever you want. Okay. After that, suppose if you have any data type, like suppose we have the variable y equals to, if you will take float 4.5. Okay, after that you want to print this, print 5. So now see what will happen if I will run this program. You will get 4.5, but here if I will write int, so what will happen? You will get only 4. Why? Because see, this 4.5 is the value. But for that, what we have a data type, we have integer. So this will convert 4.5 into your integer value. So here you will get only 4. So in this way, you can perform our casting in Python. Okay. So what is string? So we can see, if you want to store any name, any place name, or any word, or any sentence, or any character. So for that, we have a string data type. For that, we have a string in Python. Okay. So let's see with the help of example. So what you have to do, suppose I want to store one string which is hello world. So what you can do, you can just write a equals to, in your double quotes, you can write hello world. Now what will happen if you will run? You will get hello world. So in the Python, we have two things. Either you can use your double quote or else you can use your single quote. Both will work. Okay. So see, we have a equals to hello world. So you need to now print a. You have to just print this. So what will happen? You will get hello world. Next, even we can do the other things like a C. Now we have same variable a equals to, in a single quote, hello world. Now see what will happen. Just imagine you will get error or you will get an output. So for that we have to first check this. Okay. So you will get an output, not error. So it means in Python both will work. Even you can use your double quote or else you can use your single quote. Okay. Now let's see the other things. Even if you want, you can write any sentence also in the Python. Suppose I have one variable A. Okay. Now, if you want to write a sentence like a 3 to 4 line, so you have to just take 3 times your double quotes. Here you can write like a hello world, I'm learning Python. Okay. In your next line, you want like a hi. It's whatever you want, you can write. Now you have to close this. So you have to use your 3 times double quotes. Whatever you want, you can write. And you have to close with 3 times double quotes. Now you need to just print variable A. Now what will happen if I will run this? You will get hello world, I'm learning Python. Hi. Okay. After that, if you want with a single code, even you can do that. So let's see that one also. Suppose we have one more variable A here. You need to just take this 3 times. Now write whatever you want. Hello, I'm Shraddha Singh. Hello, my name is Shraddha Singh. Okay, now how you will close this? I'm learning Python. Okay, now what will happen? You need to just take your double single quote 3 times. Now after that you need to just print. If you will print, then only you will get your output, otherwise not. So for that you have to just write this statement, which is print. Now if I will run this project, you will get hello, my name is Shraddha Singh, I'm learning Python. So even you can use your double quote or else you can use your single quotes. Okay. So let's see the other example, other string operation. So again, I will take one more new section here. What will happen? Suppose if I want to find out what is length of my string. Okay. Suppose in hello world, what we have the length. So what you can do, first you have to write that hello world. Now what I want to print length of hello world, means your variable. So you have to take this len. So len means length function. So by using this function, you will get what is the length of your string. Okay. Now let's run this. See what is the length? 11. How? Now we will count. So see HELLO. It means 2 to 4, 1, 5. Now it will count the space also. So space is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You will get 11 over here. Okay. So by using this, you can get the length of your string. Okay. What will happen if I will remove the space? Now just imagine what you will get. You can write in the comment section. You can stop the video. You can write into the comment section. See, you will get it. Why? Because I removed the space. Okay. So now we will see the next function. What is that function? Now just imagine what is that. So now we will see, suppose if you want to find out particular character, particular length, particular character for any word. So again, we will do that. Suppose, again, I will take the same example. Hello world. Now, what I want to print? I want to print A. But which position? Means in the first position, what we have. So what you will get? You will get H or E. Yes? You can write this also into the comment box. Okay? See? You will get E. But how? How this is possible? But in the first position, we have H. Okay, so now we will see. how this is possible. So always in the Python, we have an index number. Okay, so the first position is always, it will start from 0. So here you will get 0. So H position is our 0. Okay, so this is 0. In the E, we have a 1. L means 2. This L is 3. And this O is 4. So that's why you got E. Okay. Now what will happen if I will enter 0? So what you will get? Just imagine what you will get. You will get H, because always you have to remember one thing. In a Python, starting index always start from 0. Okay. So in this way, even you can find out the particular place value. Okay. What will happen if you want to concatenate two string? How you will do that? Yes. Do you have any idea how you will do that? So now let's see. Suppose in the first variable, I have Shraddha, this is my first name. In my second variable, I have my surname, which is Singh. Now, I want Shraddha Singh. It means we have to concatenate. So what we can do, we have to take one more variable C. Here we need to just do A plus B. Now we need to just print C. So what will happen now? You will get Shraddha Singh. See? Shraddha Singh. So in this way, even you can concatenate. What if I want like a Shraddha, Shraddha, Shraddha 3 times? So what you can do, you can just take this A plus A plus A. Now see, you will get Shraddha, Shraddha, Shraddha. Okay. Now, instead of this plus, even we can do the multiplication also. Like I want A multiplied by 3. It means I want Shraddha multiplied by 3. You will get Shraddha, Shraddha, Shraddha 3 times. So like that, this all are the string operations. Okay. So by using your string operation, even you can do anything in your string. And what is string? That is just a word or sentence or character, whatever. Okay. So in this video, we did the string operation. Now in the next, we are going to learn about the string slicing. So what do you mean by slicing? Okay. So if you want apple slice or banana slice or any slice, it means we have to cut that, right? So in Python also we have some string slicing. So now string means, so we can say string is nothing but your sequence of characters, that is words, that is statement, right? So by using a slicing, we can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Okay. So here we have to specify what is start index and what is the end index, separated by a colon. Okay. So this is our slicing. So now we will see with the help of example. Okay. So how we will start this? So first we have to take one variable. Suppose my variable name is A here. So I told you in our previous video also, like you can use your single quote or double quote for the string. This is based on your choice. So now I want to write hello world. So as you can see here, we have a hello world. Even if I will print only A, so what will happen? If you will run this, you will get hello world. Okay. But instead of hello world, if you want a particular character, so how you will get that? So this is called as the string slicing. Okay. So we need to just write print here. After that, in the round bracket, we will take or variable. So what is the variable? Variable is A here. Then we have to just provide the index. Suppose I want 2 to 5. So you have to give your starting index. So what is the starting index here? That is 2. What is my ending index? That is 5. Okay. So index means what? So if you will run this program, so in the computer, what will happen? It will create one memory. It will allocate the memory for you. Suppose this is memory structure. So here it will store like this. H is here, E is here. Again, we have a L. After that, we have one more L, then O. Then it will create one space for the one memory address for your space, then W, then O, then R, L, D. So in a Python, always you have to remember the word always. Okay. So in Python, always the index number will start from 0. So as you can see in the H, we have a 0. In the E, we have 1. Here we have 2. Then we have a 3. Then we have a 4, like that. Okay. So what will happen now? If I will run this. So now can you just imagine what you will get output? So let's run. So you will get LLO. How? Because as you can see, HEL. So 0, 1, 2. So in the 2 position, you have L. So you will get L. So we have to continue till 5. Okay. So you will get LLO. But if you will take this index, as you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is 4. Why here we don't have a space? So in the Python, if you will start from your starting index, you will get that. But always the ending index is like -1. It means you have to just take, suppose internally that will convert 5 minus 1. You will get 4. So here we have to continue the index number 2 to 4. So you will get LLO. What happened if I will take 7 here? So now just imagine what you will get. You can stop the video. You can write your output in the comment section. Okay. See what you will get. You will get LLOW. How? Because here, see, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, space is 5, W is 6, O is 7. But in the Python, what is the rule? You will get -1. So you will get 2 to 6 only. So this is our first, like you have to just give your static index and you have to just give your ending index. Okay. Now we will see the next. Again, suppose I have hello world. So you need to just take hello world. So hello world is the famous word for our program. Okay. So see, A equals to hello world. Now what I want to print here, print. Here we will take our variable. So here I will not give any starting index. Directly I will give the ending index. Like I want to print the 5. It means it will print till 4. So what will happen now? Can you just imagine what will happen? What output you will get? You will get HELLO. It means if you will not give any starting index, so by default, it will start from your 0th position. So here we have H, then we have ELLO. Okay. Now we will see the next one. So what is our next one? Even you can give your ending index also. Like suppose A equals to hello world. After that, you want to just print this. So print what you will take now. Print A Here I want to give the index number like only 2 colon. It means it will start from your index number from 2 till end 1. Okay, so now if I will run, you will get. So L is our third index number, but here we will take 0, 1, 2 till last one. So this is our starting and ending. Here by default, it will start from first number, and here by default, it will take the number which is last one. Okay. So in this way, we can provide the starting index and the ending index. Even we can take our negative index also. So how we will do that? Again, we need to just take hello world. After that, we have to just print this. How we will print? We have to write print. After that, what is our variable? That is A. Here, I want to give the ending like a negative index. Negative means it will start from reverse. Now see what you will get here. You will get WOR. Why? Because see, -5 means what? It will start from here. Like a C, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will get -5 colon till -2. So 1, 2. Okay, you will get WOR. So in this way, we can perform our string slicing. Okay, channel code for kids. So today we are going to learn about Boolean values. So in this video, we will see what is Boolean values in Python. Okay. So we can say not in Python, in any programming language, we have some Boolean values. So we can say in programming, we often need to know if an expression is true or false. Okay. Suppose if we have any condition like 5 is greater than 3. So here you want this condition is true or false. If this condition is true, you will get your true value. Otherwise, you will get your false value. So here we can evaluate any expression in Python and we will get 1 or 2 answers. Either we will get true or we will get false. So this is a Boolean value. After that, suppose if we want to compare any two values. So first thing, we have to write some expression. Based on that expression, we will get values. So now let's see with the help of example. Till that, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. Even you can access our playlist. In that playlist, you will get Scratch programming language, you will get your app development, you will get a Python and many more. Okay. So how we will get the expression? Suppose I want to print 10 is greater than 9. Now what will happen if I will run this app program? So now see, this is correct because 10 is greater than 9, right? So what you will get here, you will get this is true. Okay. So now how you will run your application in Google Colab, you need to just press this play button. So here, see, we have a true value. After that, if I will write print 5 is greater than 9. So now as you can see, this is false because 5 is less than 9, not greater than 9. Now if I will run this, so what will happen? You will get false. So based on your condition, based on your expression, now computer will decide whether this is true or false. Okay. So it is like we have to check the condition. Even if you will take an example, like if there is a rain, so you want to go to outside or not? because we are a human being, so we can take a decision. So same like for computer also can take a decision, but whatever you will give the code, whatever you will give the condition, based on that condition, our computer will decide what we have to be execute. Okay. After that, we can check one more condition like print. Suppose 10 is equals to 10. Now what will happen? Yes, this is correct because 10 is equals to 10. So you will get true. So in this way, we can evaluate our expressions. Now we will see one more program here. Like now we will take one if condition. Okay. Suppose I have one value a equals to 10, b equals to 20. So this is my two variable. In the first variable, we have 10. In the second variable, we have 20. Now we have to just take one expression if b is greater than a. Okay. So what will happen? We have to print b is greater than a. Okay. We want to print in a double quote b is greater than a. Yes. What we want to print, like a b is less than a. So here you have to take your else condition. We need to just print b is less than a. In a double quotes, we have to write b is less than a. Now, what is wrong here? So here we need to put the colon. Okay. Now, what will happen if I will run this program? See, we have two variables, a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Means in the a we have 10, in the b we have 20. Now, if b is greater than a, so what will happen? You will get b is greater than a, else you will get b is less than a. So what will happen? See, b we have 20, in a we have 10. So 20 is greater than a? Yes, this is the correct statement. So you will get b is greater than a. Now what will happen if I will take 100 here? Yes, so you have to write this answer in a comment box. Like what you will get here. You will get b is greater than a or b is less than a. So now just check b is greater than a, means 20 is greater than 100. No, this is not possible because 20 is less than 100. So you will get b is less than a. Now just check this. You will get b is less than a. So in this way, we can use our Boolean values, which is in a true and false. So my channel Code for Kids. So in this video, we will learn about what is operators. Okay. So in the Python, we have some operators like we have arithmetic operator, we have assignment operator, we have comparison operator, we have logical operator, we have identity operator. So we will see one by one. Okay, so first we will see what is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator means if you want to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, for that we are using the arithmetic operator. So how we will start that? So suppose we have two variables, a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Now we want to do the addition and we want to store that addition inside our third variable. So what we can do, c equals to a plus b. Okay, a plus b. Now you need to just print c. So what will happen? 10 plus 20. So what you will get here? You will get 30. Because inside the c variable, we have a plus b. It means 10 plus 20 is 30. You will get 30 here. Okay. After that, we can do the subtraction, we can do the multiplication, and we can do the division. Suppose I will write the variable name sum, and here we have to print sum. After that, we can do subtraction equals to a minus b. Then multiplication equals to a multiplied by b. After that, division equals to a divided by b. Okay, a divided by b. Now we need to just print all these variables. So print sum, then print subtraction. After that, we need to print multiplication. Then we will print division. Okay. Now what will happen if I will run? So you will get 10 plus 20, 30, 10 minus 20 minus 10, 10 into 20, 200, 10 divided by 20 is 0.5. So this is our arithmetic operator. Now we will see the next operator, which is the comparison operator. So why we are using the comparison operator? If you want to compare two values, okay? So for that, we have equals to comparison operator. We have not equals to, we have greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. So this all are the comparison operators. So let's see this one also with the help of example. Suppose we have a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Now we want to print A is equal to B. So this is your comparison operator. So what will happen? You will get false. Now print A is greater than B. So this is our second comparison operator. So this one is also false because A is less than B. So now we can print one more. Print A is less than B. Now here you will get a true. Because yes, A is less than B. After that, we need to just print A is greater than equals to B. So print A is greater than equals to B. So what you will get? False. That's perfect. So this all are the comparison operator. Print A is less than equals to B. So this is our comparison operator. Okay. After that, we will see the third operator. So what is our third operator? That is logical operator. So logical operator means what? So in the logical operator, we have only three operators, which is and, or, not. Okay. So and means what? Suppose if you have two conditions, like 5 is greater than 3 and 4 is greater than 3. So what will happen? If both the condition is true, then only you will get a value, otherwise not. Okay, it means suppose x equals to 5. After that, we want to print x is greater than 3 and we have to use this keyword and x is less than, suppose 10. Now what will happen? You will get true. Why? Because see, my first condition is true. Because in the x we have 5. So 5 is greater than 3. Yes, this condition is true. And 5 is less than 10. Yes, this condition is also true. So you will get true value. Next, we will see the OR condition. So in the OR condition, if suppose if you have two conditions, two expression, okay? So if one expression is true, the second expression is false, so you will get true value, okay? Suppose x equals to 5, okay? And we need to print x is less than 2, means 5 is less than 2. So this condition is false. Or here we have to use keyword or, x is greater than 5 or x is greater than 3. So what will happen if I will run? You will get true. Why? See, my first condition is false, but my second condition is true. So you will get true value. So this is a logical operator. Okay. So we will see one last operator, which is your identity operator. So identity operator means what? If you want to compare the objects, okay, so for that we are using the identity operator. So we have two types of identity operator. We have is and is not. So that we will see with the help of example. Suppose we have one variable x equals to, we have some values here like apple, and we have second value which is mango. Okay. After that, we have one more variable like y equals to, we have again some value apple, mango, means we have same value. Now what will happen? Suppose we have one more variable z equals to x, means whatever value we have in x, we copied that value inside the z variable. Now I want to print x is z. Okay, what I want to print? X is z. So what will happen? What you will get here if you will run? You will get true, because whatever value we have in x, we copied that value into the z variable. So means you will get your true value. So this is our identity operator. So we have four types of operators. We have arithmetic operator, we have comparison operator, we have logical operator, and we have identity operator. So in the next video, we will learn some more concepts. So till that, please like, share, and learn about what is list. Okay. So first thing, what is variable? In a variable, we can store the data, but a single data. Okay. So what will happen if you want to store more than one data in a variable? So for that purpose, we are going to use a list. So we can say lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay, you want to store more than one item, but you want a single variable. So for that purpose, we have a list. Okay, so we can say lists are the built-in data type in a Python, and it is used to store the collection of data, means multiple of data. Okay, so here now we will see with the help of example how you will create a list. Okay, suppose I will take one example, my list equals to, so if you want to add your data, so you have to take your square bracket, double quotes. I want to add first apple. You have to put the comma, which is separated by comma, comma. Then I want to put my second data, banana. Then my third one, suppose what we will take now, you can take any fruit name, mango. Now we want to just print what is my list name, that is my list. Now if you will run this, you will get apple, banana, mango. Means see, in a single variable, we can add more than one item. So this is the list. Okay. So after that, we will see what are the list items. So we can say list item are ordered. Okay. We can change the item also. And here we can make a duplicate also. It will not give you error if you will change the list, or if you will change the order of the list, or if you will duplicate the list, you will not get the error. Okay. And always for the list, we have a list number, index number. Okay. So suppose here we have 3 items. Okay. How many items we have here? We have 3 items. First apple, second banana, third mango. So always the index number will start from 0. So you will get 0 here, you will get 1 here, you will get 2 here. Okay. So you have to remember this. In a list, always the list index number will start from 0. Okay. So this is our list. After that, we have list in an ordered manner. Okay. So when we say that lists are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Okay. If you will add a new item to a list, the new item will be placed at the end of the list. Suppose you have apple, banana, mango. If you want to add one more item, so that item you will get here. Okay. So you understood? After that, we have changeable. Means the list is changeable. It means that we can change, add, or remove items in a list after it has been created. You can change, you can remove, you can add some item in a list. Okay. After that, list allow us for duplication. Okay. Suppose we here, I will add one more apple here. So it will not give you any error. You will get your output. So means here we can put some duplicate values also. So this is the features of the list. Even if you want to find out what is the length of this list, so even we can find out. We have some method which is length method. We have to write length, then you have to just write your variable name, which is my list. Now what will happen if I will run? You will get 4. Why? Because in this list we have 4 items. Okay. So by using your length function, you can find out how many items we have in a list. After that, we will see list item data types. So this is my string data type. Even if you want, you can add some integer value also. Suppose I have list 1. In this list, we have first value ABC, comma, one more value like suppose we will take apple. Third value we have banana. So this is my string value. If you want to create an integer list, even you can do that. So you need to just take suppose list 2. Here we have to add some value. 1 equals to 1, 2, 3. Even we can take a Boolean list also. Suppose list 3. Here we have value like true, comma, false. So like this, you can create Boolean type of list also. Okay. You need to just print. Suppose first I want to print my list 1, then print. I want to print my list 2, then print. I want to print my list 3. Okay, now you need to just run this project. So you will get the first list is your string list. The second list is your integer. The third one is your Boolean. Even you can add multiple data types of list. Like you can add some mixed list here, like list 4 equals to, okay. So here first value I have apple, the second one 1. So this is my integer. Third, I want to add some Boolean. So like that, you can add some mixed value here. You need to just print your list 4. So print, here we have to write list 4. Okay. So what will happen if you will run this program? You will get one more list who have mixed value, apple, integer, and then your Boolean value. See, in this way, we can create a list. Okay, we can find out the length of the list, and we can create integer list, string list, Boolean list. Even you can add some mixed value.
In our previous video, we did the list. So today we are going to study about tuples in Python. Okay. So first thing, in the list, we can add multiple items. Okay. So in the tuples also we can add the multiple items, but we have some difference between tuple and list. So we can say tuple are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Means in a same variable we can add any number of items. So we can say tuples are built-in data type that is used in a Python to store a collection of data. Okay, like list. So in the list also we are storing the multiple data. In the tuple also we are storing the multiple data. So we can say a tuple is a collection of which is ordered and unchangeable. Okay. So in the list we have a square bracket, but in a tuple we have round bracket. Okay. So now we will see the tuple, how we will declare the values in the tuple. Okay. Suppose I have one variable which is ABC in this variable. So how you will declare your tuple? With the help of your round bracket. Now here I'm going to add some items, like we can add Code for Kids, which is our channel name. After that, suppose here we have Scratch. So you can add the second item, Scratch. After that, we have next like a Python. So you can add the Python also, like Python. After that, how you will print this? You need to just write print and your variable name, which is ABC. Now, if I will run, you will get all three items. Okay. So in this way, we can declare our, okay, in this way, we can declare our tuple. So what is the error here? As you can see here, we have a dot. So you need to take a comma, not dot. Okay. So now you will get value in the round bracket code for kids, which is our first item. Then you will get scratch, which is our second item. Then you will get the third item, which is Python. Okay. So we have some tuple items. So we can say tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicates value. In the list also, we can take a duplicate value. In the tuple also, we can add duplicate value. The most important part here, tuple items are indexed. So for every item, we have some index value. The first item has index 0. Okay. After that, the second item index has 1. So here index numbers start from 0. Okay. Next, ordered means what? When we say that tuples are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Okay. So that's a tuple are ordered. After that, unchangeable means what? Tuple are unchangeable. It means that we cannot change, add, or remove items after the tuple has been created. Okay. Next, allow duplicate means what? Since tuple are indexed, so we can add duplicate items here. So now we will check that how you will add the duplicate values. Suppose here I want to add one more Python. So Python. Now if you will run, it will give you the output, not the error. Okay. It means Py tuple R. Here we can allow the duplicate value. Next, how you will find out how many items we have here, like your tuple length. Okay. So for that we have len function. So what I will do, simple, I will copy the code. Now, here you need to use your print length function. And then we need to take one more bracket. Now, if you will run, so what value you will get? So, what is the index? 4. Here we have 4 items. If you will add one more item, it will return you the value as 5. Okay. After that, even we can create, suppose if you want to create tuple with one item. Okay. So how you will do that? How you will create the tuple with one item? Okay. Now, suppose I want to add only one item. So my variable name ABC here. I want to add ABC value. Then I want to print ABC, my variable name. Now see what will happen if you will run, you will get ABC. Okay. But what happen if you will take comma here? See, now this is your tuple. So if you want only one item, so you have to use this comma. Otherwise, you will get your normal value, not a tuple value. Okay. Understood? Next, we can, here we have different types of data types in a tuple. It means, suppose if you want to create integer tuple, or if you want to create your float type tuple, or if you want to create your string type tuple, even you can do that. Suppose here int tuple equals to, I want to add the value like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Even we can add str tuple, which is, so now I will add some string value here. So always you have to write string inside your double quote, or you can write in a single quotes also, like PQR. After that, so we have integer, we have string now. Then even we can take float tuple. So here we can add the value like 4.5, comma 1.2 like this. So here we will take equals to. Now, how you will print this? You need to just write print. What is our first variable? Int. Again print. What is our second variable? Strt. Then print. What is our third variable? Third one is float t. Now, if you will run this, what you will get? So what we have error here? See? Okay. So we took the wrong variable name. Okay. So always you have to check what you did the mistake. Okay. After that, what we have the next? Yes. Can you just imagine? So suppose if you want, how you can access the tuple items. So access means what? I will take this example. Suppose you want only one value or two value. So how you will do that? Means you don't want to print all the values. You want to print only one or two values. Suppose we have this code. Here we have four items. Now I want to print my first value, my first indexed value. So always in a Python, the tuples start from index 0. Okay. So in the index 0, we have code for kids. In index 1, we have scratch. So what you will get the output, you will get scratch, not code for kids, because the index number of code for kids is 0. So if you want, you have to write here 0. Now if you will run, you will get code for kids. Now we have some negative index also. So negative index means what? So negative index means we can say start from the end, not start from the starting position. So here -1 refers to the last item. Like in our example, we have Python. -2 refers to the second last item. Okay. So reverse indexing start from -1 and your positive means your starting indexing start from 0. If you will write -1 here, so what will happen? You will get Python. If you will write -3, so this is our -1, -2, -3. So you will get scratch. Okay. So this is our indexing. Negative. Here we have range of indexes. So range of index means what? Here we can specify a range of index by specifying where to start and where to end. Means some range. Your minimum value, your maximum value. Okay. So see, when we specify the range, the return value will be a new tuple with the specified item. Suppose I want to give the index number, like I want to print 1, 2, 3 value. Start from 1, end with 3. So in the 1 we have scratch. So what you will get? You will get scratch Python. Okay. So in this way we can take the index also. Okay. So this is our tuple. Here you can create a tuple. You can add some items. Okay. After that, here in a tuple, it is allowed duplication. After that, you can find out the length of the tuple. Here we have some mixed values also. If you want only one item in the tuple, so you need to give the comma. You have to remember this. Okay. After that, how you will give the range, how you will give your negative values. Okay. After that, always the tuple will start from index number 0, and we have some negative indexing also. So this all are the tuple methods. Okay. So thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in our previous video, we did the tuples, right? Now in this video, we will learn about the set in Python, okay? So first thing, what is set? So we can say set are used to store multiple items in a single variable, like your tuple, like your list. In the list also we can store more than one item. In the tuple also we can store more than one item. So in the same way, in the set we can store more than one items, okay? And this is our inbuilt data type in Python. Mostly why we are using the set? Just because we want to store collections of data, okay? But in the set we can say whatever we have collection, that is unordered, unchangeable and unindexed, while in the list and tuple we have ordered, changeable and indexed value. But in set we have unordered, unchangeable and unindexed value. So this is difference between list, tuples and set. So now we will see how we will define the set. So first thing, we have to take one variable. Suppose set A equals to, in curly bracket you have to define whatever you want. Suppose I want ABC, comma PQR, only two elements. Now you need to just print what is our variable name, set A. Now if you will run, you will get ABC and PQR. So this is simple set declaration, how you will declare your set and how you will print that. After that we will see the set items. So already I told you the set items are unordered, unchangeable and do not allow the duplicate value, okay? So how we will do this? So first thing, suppose I have set B equals to, first item we have ABC, comma, the second item we have PQR, comma, the third item we have suppose XYZ, okay? Now suppose we have one more item which is duplicate, that is ABC. Now we need to just print and what is our variable, set B. Now can you just imagine which output you will get? You will get output or you will get the error. So what you can do, you can stop the video. First you have to write in a comment section what output you will get, okay? Now see, once we will run, so you will get only three items, PQR, ABC, XYZ. But here we have four. So what set can do? Set is doing like it is eliminating the duplicate value, okay? So unordered means what? We can say unordered means that the item in a set do not have defined order, okay? And we can say set items can appear in a different order every time you use them and cannot be referred to by any index key, okay? Because this is unindexed, okay? Unchangeable means what? We can say set items are unchangeable. It means that we cannot change the item after the set has been created. You cannot change the item, okay? After that, here it is not allowing the duplicates, as you can see this example, okay? Then we will see the next one. Suppose here we have four items. So how you will get the length of your set? So again, I will take one more example here. Suppose we have set C equals to, so I will take only two items, ABC, comma, PQR. Now, how you will get the length? So already I told you in the list also, in the tuple also, like we have a length function, right? So you need to just write print. Inside that, we have our length function, which is len, and you need to just write your variable name. So here we have set c. Now, if you will run, you will get we have only two items here. Okay, like list and like tuples, here we can add the different data type items. Like you can add not like see here we have only string value, but in a set you can add integer value also, you can add float value also. Means whatever value you want we can add. Suppose we have one variable set d equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is my integer value. After that we have one more set e. Here we have float value, suppose 10.5 or 10.4 comma 12.1. This is just a random value. After that we have one more set f. Here we have some booleans value like a true and false. So here make sure you have to take t in uppercase, true comma false. So what will happen? You need to just print set t. After that you have to print your next set, which is set e. Then we have to print our last set, which is set f. Okay, so print set f. Now what will happen if you will run? You will get your set d value, which is 1, 2, 3. Then you will get your float value. Then you will get your boolean value. Okay, so in this way we can add multiple items. Or in the same set you can add some integer, or suppose now I want to add string. After that I want to add some float value. Even we can do this. Okay, now if you will run, so this is called as mix set. Okay, after that we will see, suppose you want to find out what is the type of set. Okay, so here we need to just add the type function. So you need to just write type and see. Now what you will get? You will get the type is set. See, the class is set. Okay, so in this way we can create more things in a set. After that, suppose we have one set. Suppose here we have one set and I want to print the item. I want to access the item in a set. So for that, what you will do, suppose we have one set ABC equals to, here we have a value in the curly bracket. Suppose ABC comma PQR. So by using our for loop, we can access the item also. Suppose for x is my another variable in what is my set name ABC colon, you need to just print x, because what is our new variable, that is x. Now if you will run, you will get your item. Okay, like PQR ABC. So in this way also you can access your item with the help of your for loop. Okay, suppose I want to print only PQR. So what you can do, instead of taking for loop, we can write print. What we want to print? We want to print the ABC. So you have to write ABC in. What is our variable? What is our variable name? ABC. So what will happen? Here we have two items, but you will get only one. Now see, if I will run, you will get true because in this set we have this ABC. If you will write any other thing like ABD, so you will get false because we don't have that value here. Okay. So in this way, we can find out whether that item contains or not. After that, even after creating your set, we can add some value. Suppose we have one set ABC. Now I want to add some value in the ABC. So you have to just write ABC dot add method. Okay. Add. What I want to add here, I want to add XY set. So XY set. So after that, you need to print your ABC. So print your variable name is ABC. Now what will happen? You will get three values: PQR, ABC and XY set. Okay. So in this way, we can add the item also. After that, suppose we want to remove the XY set. So instead of add, we can write remove. Okay. So what will happen now? You will get only ABC and PQR. Okay. So what is the issue here? Because see, we don't have the XY set. So you have to write only those value which you have here. So suppose I want to remove ABC. So here now you will get PQR. So in this way we can add also, we can remove also. So this is our set. Here how you will declare the set, you can declare by this method. Even you can find out the length of your set. Okay. Even we can add mix items. We have a different types of sets also. Even we can find out the type of the set. Okay. Even we can add some item, we can remove some item. By using for loop we can access the item. So this all are the set method. Okay. So else statement. Okay. So first of all, what is if else? So we can say, see, Python supports the usual logical condition. Okay. So if else means, suppose this is called as decision making statement. Okay. Decision making means, suppose I will give you one example. If there is outside the run, so what we can do? So this is depend on us, like a we want to go to the outside or not. So same in Python also we have some decision making statement. Okay. Suppose we can take like a equals to, not equals to. This all are the decision making statements. So now we will see what is if else statement. So suppose we have two values. Suppose A equals to 10 and B equals to 20. Now what we can do here, we can just compare this value. Like if suppose B is greater than A. Okay. So this is called as if statement. If B is greater than A, so we have to print what we will print. B is greater than A. Greater than A. Now see, in A we have 10, in B variable we have 20. So now we will compare. B means 20 is greater than 10. Yes, this condition is true. Okay, so what you will get here, you will get B is greater than A. So let's test our project. So this is called a if statement. Okay. So in this example, you can see we have two variable A and B, which are used as a part of the if statement to test whether B is greater than A, right? Okay. As C, A is 10, B is 20. Now see what will happen. If you will compare this, 20 is greater than 10. Yes. So you will get B is greater than A. Now we will see the second part, which is indentation. So indentation means what? So Python always uses the indentation. It means white spaces at the beginning of a line. Okay. Suppose same example. If I will copy this example here and if I will paste this example here. But if I will remove the white space from here, now if you will run, you will get the error just because of indentation. See, this is your indentation error. So always when you will write your if, so you have to put the space over here. Now if you will run this program, you will get B is greater than A. Okay. So this is called as indentation. After now we will see we have elif statement. Elif means what? See, in the if condition, we are just comparing the value. Suppose if you want 2 comparison, 3 comparison, 4 comparison, okay, means more than 1. So now we have only if statement. So if you want to compare more values, more statement, so you can use elif. Okay. So what we will do now, suppose a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Okay. Now we will compare the value like if b is greater than a. Okay. So what I want to print here, I want to print, okay. So see if b is greater than a. So what I want to print here, I want to print the value like b is greater than A. Okay, B is greater than A. Suppose here I want one more condition. Like if A is equal to B. So for that we can take elif statement. Elif A is greater equals to B. So we want to print like A is equal to B. Print A is equal to B. Okay, equal to B. Now what will happen if I will test this project? So what output you will get? B is greater than A because this condition is satisfied here. Okay. So this is our elif statement. Now we will see more in the if. So third we have our else statement. Else means suppose here if you will change the condition like B is less than A. Now if you will run, you will not get anything. Why? Because both the condition are false now. B is not less than A and A is not equal to B. So for that we have a third thing which is else statement. Okay. So why we are using the else? So we can say the else is the keyword that catch anything which is not understand by your if and elif. Okay. So suppose here if I will write last one which is my else condition, else I want to print here, print A is less than B. Okay, less than B. Now see if I will run this, so you will get A is less than B. If see here, if first condition is not satisfied, it will check your second condition. If this is not satisfied, so by default you will get the else part. Okay. So that's why we are writing the else here. Okay. After that, we will see some more example here. Miss, without elif also we can write the else. Suppose if I will remove this elif, if I will run this, so again you will get your else. Okay. Now, if this condition will satisfy, so what you will get now? So you will get your true condition. Okay. Miss, first always it will check your if condition. If condition is true, you will not get your else condition. If condition is false, then you will get your else condition. Okay. Now we will see the next part, which is your shorthand if condition. Means within a single line, if you want to write all the things. Okay. So how you will do that? Suppose I have one value a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Now, suppose we want to write the condition in a single line like this. So what you can do, if suppose I want to check b is greater than a. So here we want to print what you can write, whatever statement you want, like a b is greater. Okay. Now, what will happen if I will run this? You will get b is greater. So within a single line also we can write everything. Okay. Now we will see the next one, which is shorthand if else. Okay. So how we will do that means, suppose here you want to attach your else condition. So how we will do that? How we will attach our else condition here? So we need to just simple write. So how you will write that? If you want to write a else here, suppose I have one value a equals to 3, b equals to 10. Okay, we have two values. Suppose so we have to just write print a if. So here you need to just write a is greater than b. Else print b. Okay, else print b. Now see what will happen, what output you will get. You will get B. Why? See, what is this condition? Print A. If A is greater than B, so you have to print A, else you have to print B. So, because see, A is less than B, so this condition is satisfied. Now, if I will write like this, print A if A is less than B. So, now instead of B, you will get A. So in this way, we can declare our if else statement, we have elif statement, and how you will write into the single line. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Okay. Please share this video, which is our code for kids. Thank you so much.